So guys, here is the valve cover n55 engine, and there is the way how to replace just the PCV, because it's much cheaper. It costs only $5. If you want to buy a brand new valve cover, it's your choice. If you have money, you can put it, but yeah, you need to cut with the Dremel. You need to cut at the top a little bit. Don't cut deep here at the edges, just at the top. Cut it, and then with the pliers break the top of the, and then you will able to take the top of the PCV off with the pliers. It's so easy. You will see the spring go to the bottom. As you can see, the PCV after 10 years is garbage. It's melted. So to check your PCV, you need to take this cap off. It was here, and blow through this. You can connect the vacuum line, and blow it, and also suck. The PCV should hold the vacuum, and also the PCV should not blow. You will not able to blow through the PCV. So PCV should hold the vacuum test. Then you need to take the Scotch-Brite or sandpaper, sand it outside, and apply the RTV. Yeah, this is the best. This is the best RTV which I ever used. A very good RTV, ultra black gasket maker. So very good. Holds very good to the plastic and to the metal. So then you need to clean with the acetone. You need to clean the surface, and in order to apply the silicone, because if you will not clean the surface, the silicone will not hold. So then you need to take your Chinese PCV and install it. As you can see, there is the gap which should go inside, and just like that install it. Yeah, like that. And after that, clean the rest of the RTV of the silicone. And you're good. There is always the question, will this silicone hold and keep the vacuum? Yes, it will. After you install it, you can take the vacuum line, take this cap off, and check your PCV. Yeah, it's very easy. You need to take this cap off. Then you need to take some vacuum line and connect it here. And blow it. And suck it in the other side. If it holds the vacuum, it means it works. So then you can install this cap back, and we saved this valve cover. We saved $600.